You've been lied to your entire life. Not by strangers, not by the internet, by everyone. Parents, teachers, influencers, all repeating the same dangerous idea. Follow your passion. You just need motivation. Success takes time. Enjoy balance. Sounds nice, right? Yeah. That's why you're still stuck. Because these aren't harmless beliefs. They're mental traps designed to keep you average. And if you don't break them now, you will wake up one day realizing you wasted your entire life. Follow your passion. That's the first lie. You think successful people started with passion? No. They started with discipline. Passion is not the cause of success. It's the result of progress. Your brain doesn't love what you dream about. It loves what you're good at. And you only get good at something through repetition, struggle, boredom. But you quit before that happens. Why? Because you're chasing a feeling instead of building a skill. So you jump from idea to idea, waiting to feel it. That's not passion. That's distraction. You need motivation. No, you don't. Motivation is dopamine, and dopamine is cheap now. Your brain gets rewarded for doing nothing, scrolling, watching, consuming. So when it's time to actually work, it feels painful. Not because it's hard, but because your brain is addicted to easy rewards. You're not lazy. You're conditioned. And motivation, it disappears the moment things get uncomfortable, which is exactly when you need to act. So if you rely on motivation, you've already lost. Relax. You've got time. This one destroys more lives than failure ever will, because it removes urgency. And without urgency, you drift. Days become weeks. Weeks become years. You keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I'm still young. Meanwhile, your habits are getting worse. Your discipline is dying. Your standards are dropping. Time doesn't make you successful. What you do with time does. And right now, you're wasting it. Don't overwork. Enjoy life. Sounds healthy, but here's the truth. No one says, balance is earned, not given. If you try to balance too early, you stay average forever. Because success requires imbalance at the start. More focus, more sacrifice, more obsession. But you don't want that. You want comfort and success. That's why you have neither. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain. You've trained it to avoid discomfort. Every time you quit early, choose easy, delay action, you reinforce weakness, and your brain learns. This is who we are. So now, even when you want to change, you can't follow through. Not because you're broken, but because you've built a system of self-sabotage. You don't need motivation. You need a system. Here it is. 1. Kill dopamine overload. Limit social media, junk content, constant stimulation. Make your brain bored again. That's where focus comes from. 2. Set not goals. Rules. Example. 2 hours work daily. No excuses. Gym, no matter what. No phone during work. You don't decide daily. It's already decided. 3. Train discomfort. Do things you don't feel like doing. Every day. That's how you rewire your brain. Discipline is built through pain tolerance. 4. Focus on one path. Stop switching. Pick something. Stay long enough to become good. That's when passion shows up. 5. Create urgency. Act like time is running out. Because it is not dramatically, but silently. You have 2 choices. Keep believing comfortable lies, or accept the truth and change your life. But understand this. If you keep waiting for motivation, if you keep chasing passion, if you keep delaying action, nothing will change, and that's on you.